I recently got the Anker power bank due to a recommendation from a friend, and it was on sale. Out of curiosity, I wanted to see how well an AI could evaluate it. To my surprise, its accuracy was around 90%. Although it isn't slim enough to fit in your pocket or pocket-sized, it is still a great power bank and I'm very satisfied with my purchase. Here is the generated AI review. I recently purchased the Anker power bank and I am so happy with it. It has a huge 24,000 mAh capacity, 3-port charging capability and 140-watt output, so it can easily power all my devices at once. The two-way charging is also a great feature, allowing me to quickly recharge the power bank or my devices. It is also really portable, a bit bigger than a credit card, so it fits easily in my pocket or bag. The USB-C cable included also allows for fast charging. I would highly recommend this product and I am very pleased with my purchase. Please see the link in the description for the full spec of the power bank.